Welcome back to Science Snacks for Curious Minds. Today, we're delving into the life of one of the most famous scientists of all time, Albert Einstein. You probably know him for his groundbreaking theories of relativity and his famous equation, E equals mc squared. But did you know that there's so much more to the man than just his scientific achievements? Here are 5 little-known stories about Einstein that will blow your mind. Einstein the musician. Einstein wasn't just a brilliant scientist. He was also an accomplished musician. In fact, he began playing the violin at a young age and continued to play throughout his life. He even said that if he hadn't become a physicist, he would have become a musician. Einstein saw a deep connection between music and physics, once stating that music is the driving force in the universe. He believed that the beauty and harmony of music could help him solve complex scientific problems. The Einstein-Szilard Letter. In 1939, Einstein and his friend, physicist Leo Szilard, wrote a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt urging him to start a nuclear weapons research program. They warned that the Germans might develop an atomic bomb first and that the United States needed to be prepared. This letter led to the Manhattan Project, which eventually led to the creation of the atomic bomb. Einstein the sailor. Albert Einstein loved sailing, and he often went on sailing trips with his close friend Michel Besso. In fact, Einstein was once quoted as saying, "The best way to get a good idea is to get a lot of ideas." He believed that being out on the water and experiencing new things was a great way to stimulate creativity and come up with new ideas. He even purchased a sailboat named Tinef, Yiddish for worthless, in 1935, which he sailed frequently in the waters around Long Island. Einstein's FBI file. Einstein was a pacifist and a vocal advocate for nuclear disarmament, which made him a target of the FBI during the Cold War. The agency began a file on him in 1932, and by the time of his death, the file was over 1,800 pages long. But here's the interesting part. Most of the information in the file wasn't actually about Einstein himself. Instead, it was made up of newspaper clippings, letters from concerned citizens, and other irrelevant documents. It seems that the FBI was more interested in monitoring anyone who associated with Einstein rather than Einstein himself. Einstein's brain. After Albert Einstein died in 1955, his brain was preserved for scientific research. A pathologist named Dr. Thomas Harvey removed Einstein's brain during the autopsy and took it home with him. He kept the brain in jars in his basement for decades, until it was finally studied in the 1980s. Scientists found that Einstein's brain had more glial cells than the average person's brain. Glial cells support and protect neurons, and some researchers believe that they may be linked to intelligence. And there you have it, 5 unknown stories about Albert Einstein that you probably didn't know. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this fascinating and complex man. If you liked this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more science snacks for curious minds. Thanks for watching.